up your MySQL database using CLI. After you log in into the server or your local host, go to the directory that you want to store your backup. I want to store data into home Ubuntu. Okay, then just type MySQL dump -h local host, use this, and -u my username or your username of the database, and -p following with the database name. I use thanks my bot underscore web and point to the name of file that we want to back it up, like test mydb.sql. Enter it. Input your password of database. Enter. Check it again. Yeah, I have it now. Just check the size of database. Okay, it's working. Bye bye.